Hi, welcome to the second video on AWS. In this video we will see AWS platform. So open your browser. Now go to AWS. Okay. So here you will see details about aws.amazon.com. Here you can see all the features, what are services being provided by AWS. So what we need to do, we need to go for AWS free tier account. So for that, search for AWS free tier. Okay. So go to AWS free tier. Now here you have to click create a free account. So what are the services? More than 100 AWS products are available on free tier today. 3 different types of free offers are available: free trials, 12-month free and always free. So in 12-month free you will get 50 hours Amazon EC2 and 5 GB of Amazon S3, then Amazon RDS 750 hours and all those things. So you need to click create a free account. So here you can use your email address, give an AWS account name, then verify your email address. After that you need to provide your credit or debit card details. They will deduct some rupees and verify your identity. Then you can log into AWS account. Once you are logged in, I have already created my AWS account. Now I will log in to my account and show you from there. Okay. So once you go to this sign in page, once you go to this sign in page, now you have to click sign in using root user email. Okay, root user email, root user, IAM user. We will learn all these things in detail. Now you have to give email address. Let me log in and I will show you. Now I have logged in to my account. Now you can see the AWS interface. If you go and click here services, you can see all the services available. So these are the services which I have used. These are recently I have visited. Here you can see for compute. Yesterday we learned for compute. You can see EC2, Lambda services. Okay, for containers, Elastic Container Registry, Elastic Kubernetes services. There are so many services here available. For storage, we can see S3 Glacier and AWS Backup. For all the applications like blockchain, compute, containers, database, developer tools, front-end, web and mobiles, Internet of Things, so many services are available. So in this video we are going to see EC2. If you go to AWS documentation page, you can learn what is Amazon EC2. Here you can see Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud provides hands-on scalable computing capacity in AWS. Using Amazon EC2 reduces hardware cost, so you can develop and deploy applications faster. So here are different types of EC2 instances are there. You can see all those things. You can read the documentation and you can see all those things. So before we start AWS, you can go to billing and cost management. You can search for here billing and cost management. In billing and cost management section, you will see how much charges you are getting. Okay, for this month it's $0. So you need to keep an eye on this. So how much charges you are getting. Okay, so if you are in a free tier account, check the limit. So once you exceed that limit, you will be charged. So you need to stay within the limit, and you need to check billing details, how much charge you are getting. Okay, so we are going to EC2 virtual servers in cloud. Okay, okay, one more thing. Here you can see the region, United States, North Virginia. You can mostly people choose a location near to them. Like if I am from India, I can choose Mumbai AP South 1. You can choose any location nearest to you. These are the regions where AWS data centers are there. Okay, so I am choosing United States, North Virginia. Remember this, because if you are running one instance in North Virginia, then you need to, when you are so you need to remember your region. Okay, so let me start one instance. Click on the instances. 0 instance is running here. Oh, launch instances. Okay, name, instance name, Linux, YouTube. Application and OS images, Amazon machine image. So you have to choose from here. You can choose Amazon Linux, you can choose Ubuntu, or you can choose Red Hat. So let me choose Amazon Linux. Amazon Linux, all the Red Hat commands will run on Amazon Linux. Okay, you can choose Ubuntu or you can choose Amazon Linux. So see, Amazon Linux 2023 kernel 6.1 AMI free tier available. Okay, this is free. Then architecture 64-bit, then instance type T2 micro. Here you need to see T2 micro is free tier eligible. If there are other instances, you can see T2 nano is there, T2 small is there. In T2 micro you are getting 1 CPU and 1 GB memory. In T2 small you are getting 1 CPU, 2 GB memory, and these are chargeable, and the prices are written here, how much per hour you need to pay. So stick to free tier eligible. T2 micro free tier eligible. Okay, now key pair. So you need to create a key pair to log into the Linux system. So create key pair name, give Linux YouTube, key pair type RSA encrypted, then .pem file, then create. So now you need to click create key pair. Okay. So key will be downloaded to your system. Name of the file is Linux _ YouTube. Okay, save. Now see, it's downloaded. Now we came to create security group. Allow SSH traffic from anywhere. Allow HTTPS traffic, allow HTTP traffic. Okay, we will see all those things in security settings. Okay, security groups, firewall settings we will see. Now storage at 8 GB. Okay, free tier eligible customers can get up to 30 GB of EBS general purpose SSD or magnetic storage. Okay, now in summary you can see Amazon Linux virtual server type T2 micro. Now storage is 8 GB. Okay, keep in mind you should check this free tier eligible and here also free tier eligible, and here you can see free tier. In your first year of opening an AWS account you get 50 hours per month of T2.micro instance usage, or T3.micro where T2 micro is not available when used in free tier AMI. 50 hours per month of public IPv4 address usage, 30 GB of EBS storage and 2 million IOS and 2 GB snapshot. Okay, now launch instance. Successfully initiated launch of the instance. Okay, let me keep it here. View all instances. See, one Linux machine is assigned to you. Okay, it's in pending state. Now it's showing running. So select this. So how to, it's already running. Okay, one instance is already running. So to connect, click on connect button. Here I can show you so before connecting, see the details. In detail, this is instance ID, this is IPv4 address. How these things will be used I will show you in later sections. Okay, it's private IP, it's public IP. Okay, this is DNS name, host name type. Here all those things we will see in detail. Instance type T2 micro, what are these instance name, VPC ID, subnet, AMI ID, AMI name, all those things we will see gradually. We will learn all those things gradually. Okay, this is for details. Details of what? Details of this Linux instance, EC2 instance, status and alarm, monitoring, security. In security we have to check all those security groups. I will show you. Networking. Networking you can see public IPv4 address and private address. Storage. Storage you can see 8 GB memory is available. Device name you can see all those things you will see in practicals. And tags name is Linux YouTube. So how to connect? So now we will connect using the easiest way, using this connect button. You can use putty or you can use MOBA Xterm to connect, that I will show you in later videos. Now in this video we will keep it simple and we will connect using connect button. Okay. So connect using a public IP address, username is EC2 user. By default it's giving EC2 user. You can also connect using SSH client like putty or MOBA Xterm. The steps are written here, how to connect using putty. Okay. So here we are connecting using web interface of AWS. Now connect. Now you can see we are inside the virtual machine, Linux virtual machine. The user is EC2 user. If you write who am I, EC2 user. So to become root user you can write sudo su root. Okay, and cd home. We came to the home directory of root user. From here we can install any software, we can do all the things on a Linux machine. Okay. Now see, from here you can run Linux commands, ls. Okay, you need to create a new folder, mkdir test1, to go inside to see ls test1, to go inside that cd test1. Okay, go inside that. To create a new file you can hit touch a.txt. Okay, if you now write ls touch, you can see a.txt. So Linux is a very vast topic. I will make detailed video about Linux. We will see how to terminate this EC2 instance. Okay. So here you can write shutdown. Shutdown, if you will write shutdown, it will shut down after 1 minute. Okay. So if you are, when you will go to this section, you will see Linux YouTube machine which is in the running state. Okay. See, when you write shutdown, its now time is 7:21 and shutdown is scheduled for 7:22. Okay. Now see here, instance is in running state. When you refresh the page, it's also now also running. Okay, let's wait for a minute. See, now it's showing stopping, so the machine is being shut down. Alternatively, you can come to this page and from here you can also shut down. Here see, terminate instance. Terminate means delete. You can delete the instance. This one is refresh button, it stopped, the machine is stopped. So once you complete with your practicals, you need to stop the machine. After that you go and see again. If you need to start it, you can start it, start instance, again it will start. Now once you complete your practicals, you can do terminate instance. Okay, terminate. Successfully initiated termination of the instance. This is instance ID. Terminated. Instances running is 0 because we terminated that. Key pair 1, we created one key pair, security groups 11. I will show you. In your case it will not be 11. I will show you what is security group and how to enable different ports, so we can access different applications on different ports. I will show you all those things. See here it's written EC2 free tier. Okay. So as I am, my region is United States, North Virginia. In see how many zones are there. US East 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E. We'll see all those things. Okay, that's it for today. Keep in mind to terminate the instance when you complete your practical. Okay, thank you.